The top tip for onboarding suppliers for e-invoicing is spend time with the key contacts, the account managers, preparing them for the transition. Almost the second top tip is make sure you do lots of testing and don't just do it in production.
As a smaller agency, we just decided to use the existing Xero and MYOB customers because they can just send e-invoices once we've given them a short guide on how to do it, prove to them that it's easy and make sure our systems work okay. Our change management approach was focused on one person at our end, liaising with all of our suppliers regarding e-invoicing. That way, when there were some learnings from one, we could immediately apply it to everyone else. We find it useful to have a communications log with all the suppliers. A lot of them aren't ready immediately. You don't want to bother them too much, but you do want to have some follow-up later on so we can continue to create that push towards e-invoicing across all of them.
The biggest challenge for us, I think, was we're relatively early adopters. Uptake amongst suppliers, awareness amongst suppliers was a bit of an issue. So we worked with them to grow awareness and individually get them across the line for that first e-invoice. And we're still working very hard on our major suppliers, our volume suppliers, to try and grow the rate of e-invoices that we're receiving. My top tip for anyone implementing e-invoicing is to start small with a friendly supplier, work with them to get the process understood in your organization and theirs, get the first e-invoice through, low value, and then look to grow that volume and then look to add more suppliers over time.
Change management for e-invoicing is ongoing. Initially, we leveraged off the toolkits that the e-invoicing team from MB have, and then we tailored some of our comms and we also supplemented some of our comms because some of our suppliers are more in the, not the department spend, but the non-department spend.